In this video, I'll show you how to change the TV brightness, the screen brightness of your Hisense Roku TV. If you want to make the screen look a bit dimmer, or maybe it's not lit up enough, you want to make it brighter. So take the remote control and press the home button on the top right corner, just so you're on this screen. Then on the left side, you're gonna press the up arrow once until you have selected settings. Then press OK. From here, you're going to go down and select TV Picture Settings. Once it's highlighted, press OK. And then press once more on OK so we can change the brightness. By default, I think it's on bright, but you can change brighter, normal, dark. You won't see any effect going on the TV. To see how it looks, you need to press the OK button once you have selected something. So you saw the screen went automatically darker here. And by doing this, you can find the perfect brightness for your environment. I'll keep it to brighter. It's easier to film this way. But overall, once you're done, this is it. You don't have to click on anything else. You can press the home button to go back and start using your TV once again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.